Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to change the water pump in the Mk1 Golf. Okay, so as you can see obviously the battery disconnected, alternator removed. Very simple to remove the alternator. There's a nut and bolt there and a big bolt just across here. That one's an Allen key, that one's a 13. Alright, alternator out of the way. Now we can get to the water pump. So the car is leaking water, it's losing water. I can't tell where it's leaking water. The reservoir is always a little bit lower than when I filled it. And yeah, after spending an hour and a half on the side of the motorway, waiting for the car to cool down and all the other stuff, we're going to just replace the water pump because hopefully that'll be the problem fixed. So I have a new alternator, or not an alternator, a water pump. So I have a full housing, everything. You can buy them in different styles, as in just this half, or this, or with the backing as well. So I said I'd get the backing as well, just in case there's frost damage or there's a hairline crack in something. So to get it out, I think it's just undo these three up here. Obviously you can do the water pipes and get the whole thing out. It doesn't come with a pulley, you use your original pulley, so I will probably sand it down and give it a nice clean, and then be all ready to go. Okay, so as you can see, I have the bicycle on the spring clip and just letting the water just drip off there. I'm just going to open it now and drop all the water. Okay, so after a good bit of struggling, I did get the pump out. Hello, cat. Anyway, yeah, after a good bit of struggling, I got the pump out. So there's two up here, one there, one there. There's actually one at the side, and I couldn't get these two clips undone. So unfortunately, I had to undo them at the other end. Bit more of a work, but now when they're out, I can actually probably get a vice grip or something strong onto them and remove them and then replace them. Okay, so now with the pump out, I've just used the impact and just took off those three nuts. They're Allen keys, so that's that removed. Still have to remove the two pipes, and then we're going to go with the thermostat down here as well. So guys, this is what happens when you have a cat. Alright, Pebbles. She likes to climb on my back when I'm working, so yeah. Pebbles. Okay, just whiz these off. They're just 210s. And there's a thermostat, so I'm going to swap out the thermostat and the seal. But I think I actually have a thermostat, so I might actually put the new one onto it now instead. And when you're putting the thermostat on, thermostat goes in first, then the seal, not the other way around. So when you look at it there now, you should be able to see the seal first, then the thermostat. Okay, let's start stripping this down more, get these pipes off, and put them onto the new pump. So just quickly looking at it, trying to figure out where did it fail or why is it leaking. And if you see just, my fingers in the way, just here, it looks like it's probably like corroded and breaking up, and you can kind of see into it that way as well. So I think it might be just leaking just there, and also the seal is rock hard, so there's no giving it, and you can kind of see it's probably breaking up there and then just dripping ever so slightly, or maybe even there as well, and that's why the pump is leaking. So we're going to replace the pump now and put new seals into it as well. Okay, so I sanded all the top of it just with a wire wheel, and I'm painting it black. Okay, now the next evening, so yep, all lovely and black again. Brilliant. Now with everything reinstalled, so I have the thermostat back in, housing, it's all nice and tight. There's a pipe there to be ready to be installed again, and I have new clips to go on it as well. Okay, and now we're going to mount the pump. So it's a full pump. Sometimes you can buy them as half pumps, but this is a full pump. This pipe here on, but the other two aren't on yet, and I just sprayed a little bit of silicone lube just to keep the seal in place. The thermostat is on there, and then the seal, and then this black housing, that's the sequence they go on in. And I'll put the pump on, or the pulley on, when I have the timing belt on. So yeah, that's what we're doing so far, and that's about to go all the way in there. So I've given the face just there, say, a bit of a clean. So and also all the pipes all have gotten a little shot of silicone spray just to help them slide on. Okay, now about to install. Okay, and let's install this. Okay, just like that, water pump is now reinstalled. So yeah, I have all the clips in, on the top and then the one at the bottom for the thermostat. That's all done. Now go to get on the water pump, and then the alternator here will go back on as well. So the alternator actually does clip out. There's 3 little prongs there. This pulls straight out, and you can just remove the alternator so it's just not in your way, which is very handy. There goes the screwdriver. Okay, so, or spanner. Okay, so that's as much as I'm going to do in this video. It's only a matter of just like sticking everything back together. It's very simple, and that's how you change the water pump.
So guys, thanks very much for watching. I have most of it all back together again. I'm not putting the alternator back in because I'm going to be doing the timing belt, which I've never done before. I've watched enough videos that I'm pretty sure I can tackle myself. So in the next video, we're going to do the timing belt. So thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe over there or over there. And as always, thanks for watching. See you later.